Hey, I've looked many times on the internet trying to find a 1020 air-conditioned tractor, and I have never found one. And I wanted to show y'all one that belongs to me. It's a 1986 model that I bought new in the crate in probably 87. Okay, it's a 1020 Massey Ferguson, and we're going to show it to you right now. It's also got 1,991 hours on it. There's the air conditioner compressor right there. We're going to go around to the other side of the machine. "38 years old. It's factory paint, been there forever. It's never been painted except for the cab when I first put it on there in about 1990, give or take some. The rims have been painted. I built this cab and engineered it. It's air conditioned, stereo speakers, upholstered, armrest, that's one thing I like about it. Listen. That's my fuel tank that I put on here, because I have to lift the can over the top of the hood, and this one holds more fuel anyway. The mower's in a little worse shape than the rest of it because it's on the ground virtually with the dirty grass and all. But I've tried to take care of it over the 38 years, and I think I've done a pretty good job. I've re-engineered the mechanism that picks the mower up and down. And that's about all I have to show you. Thank you very much.